you to hear. The night holds wonders both far and near, a lullaby world that's crystal clear. Twinkle treetop dreams tonight, catch a star that's shining bright. Close your eyes and hold on tight, sailing through the sky's soft light. Hopping over the silver moon, chasing comets that hum a tune, floating gently with no cocoon. Dreamland whispers, see